Hello, so today I'm out here rucking, which means something quite different in England. So basically I'm going out for a walk or a hike, but with a weighted backpack on. So everything I've read and looked up saying that to start off you want to use about 10% of your body weight for a weight in the bag. So I'm about 70 kilos, which is about 155 pounds. So in the bag I've got a 7.5 kilo weight. Just gonna see how it goes, really. I've got a loop. It's about a 5 mile loop, so I'll see where I get with that. See how it feels. So 7.5 kilos, 16 pounds. Doesn't sound like much, and it's not, but I wanted to do this properly and ease myself in gently. Don't want to get any injuries. The reason why I'm trying out rucking is because I don't particularly like running. I find it just super boring and always have some kind of injury afterwards, whether it's my hip or my knee. I don't know, I'm just getting old, becoming an old git. So, and hiking is good. I enjoy hiking. If you've seen any of my other videos, you know that. This is a way of blending some hiking with a bit more, slightly more intense exercise. I can already feel it. I can already feel the weight through my back. Not too much, but I can feel it, definitely. So if you are thinking about starting, just take it easy. You know, no need to rush straight into it. Start with a nice lightweight. I mean, all I've got on me is that weight and an old climbing bag. So an old rock climbing bag. It's got 2 straps, one across the chest, one across the waist, to help support the weight. And so yeah, so far it's all right. Right, so I have tried this once before. I had a massive backpack and I put a 16 kilo kettlebell in there and hiked it up onto my shoulders, and then I managed to get about a mile until I had to just turn back because, quite frankly, it was pretty stupid. All the weight was like right at the bottom, the backpack was like hanging down past my ass, and yeah, it was pretty dumb. So I wanted to do it properly this time. So I don't really count that one because it's not a real one. It's pretty rubbish. So yeah, I did it properly. So all I've got is a dumbbell, and I've got, like I showed you before, like a nice smaller bag. Keeps the weight more in the center of my back, and I don't feel like I'm being dragged back by the weight. So yeah, I think the setup feels good. This is summer, by the way. Summer in England. It's rained every day for about the past week or so. It's great, it's really good. I love it. So I have the tendency to slouch sometimes. When I'm playing my computer games and stuff like that, I kind of slouch and lean forward, and I've got bad posture. So I'm hoping this will help me sort that out a little bit. It's pulling my shoulders back. I'm standing more upright. I can feel the muscles in my back working, which is really important and something that I really need to do a lot more. So I didn't particularly want to do this morning. I had zero motivation. But now that I'm out, I'm glad that I did. Sometimes it takes something other than motivation, and motivation isn't something you should really rely on. Discipline should be the thing that you rely on. And as many excuses as I tried to make this morning, crawling out of bed, none of them are good enough. None of them are good enough. So no matter how unmotivated I was, I knew that I had to go and do this. And now that I'm out, I'm very glad that I did. Some of the benefits of rucking, I found that it gives a good blend of cardio and strength training, for everything that I've read and seen and now experiencing. It's getting the heart rate up, but I can feel it, my muscles are working. There's definitely a strength element to it. It's a great blend, especially if you're not particularly keen on doing weights and then you're more into your cardio. This is a good way of building up some strength, and also, you know, vice versa. If you're not a keen runner, then this is a good way of getting some cardio in as well. I'm liking it. I'm really enjoying it. Yeah, I like it. Okay, so coming to the end now. Done about 5 miles, so a nice easy one to start off with. Feel good, muscles feel okay. I think probably what I'll do next time is either add some more weight, not much, just incrementally, just a little bit more, or I'll cover a bit more distance. So this is all the equipment I have. Here's my bag and 7.5 kilo weight. That's it. That's all you really need. It's just a climbing bag. There are probably better bags out there for it. I might look into that a little bit more, and some more weights. So you don't need a ton of equipment to start doing this. Just make sure you've got a good bag with preferably chest strap and waist strap, and enough weight to actually do something. If you're starting out, I'd say probably do about 10% of your body weight. That's what I've looked at. That's what everything's saying. I'm not a exercise guru. I'm not a fitness person. If you're gonna do this, it's on you. But yeah, if you do, hope you enjoy it.